Hi, I'm Chef Tony from The Lounge. Today we want to show you a few of our shareable dishes that we do. One's from our fresh sheet and another one's from the main menu. We have our crispy tempura Brussels sprouts with maple and sage and a whole grain mustard aioli. And then we're going to do our buffalo calamari, our coleslaw, Oregon blue cheese, and some chives. Today we're doing our calamari. It's a calamari steak that we've soaked in buttermilk and spices. And then we bread it with some flour, some panko, some dried buffalo sauce, and some herbs. For our buffalo calamari, we do a coleslaw of red cabbage, green cabbage, some julienne, carrots, celery, some rainbow peppers, and some red onion. We season it up, and then we dress it with a green goddess coleslaw dressing. All right, once our calamari gets nice and crispy, pull it up and let it drain. Goes into the bowl. We're going to season it with some salt and pepper. And then we coat it with our Asian buffalo sauce, which consists of a chili paste, some apple cider vinegar, some honey, some Worcestershire. Spicy, sweet, not over the top spicy, but definitely has some heat. All right, the setup for the dish, we have our coleslaw, the carrots and the celery and the onions, some peppers. And we're going to add our buffalo calamari. Pretty good sized portion, great for sharing. And then we're going to finish it with a little bit of Oregon blue cheese and little chive batons. And that's it, buffalo calamari from The Lounge with our slaw and Oregon blue cheese. All right, another dish we're doing here is our crispy Brussels sprouts. So we have some nice quartered Brussels sprouts. We hit it with just a tiny bit of cornstarch. And then we do a light tempura coating. All right, then into the fryer. These go pretty quick. They're in there a minute, minute and a half. All right, now that our Brussels sprouts are nice and crispy, great color on them, pull them out, drain for a few seconds. Season them up, some salt and pepper. And then we have some of our maple gastrique, maple syrup, some cinnamon spices, some vinegar, get a little sweet and sour going on. And we hit them with a little bit of fresh sage. It's nice and aromatic. Perfect. To top it off, we made a little whole grain mustard aioli, crispy tempura Brussels sprouts, maple sage, and a little whole grain mustard aioli.